Hello friends, today our topic is levels of testing. Levels of testing is the procedure to find the missing area and avoid overlapping and the repetition between the development lifecycle stages. We have four different level of testing, and that is unit testing, integration testing, system testing and acceptance testing. Now let me explain each levels one by one. Unit testing. It is used to test whether the software module are satisfying the given requirement or not, and it is generally performed by the software developer. Integration testing. It is used to test the data flow from one module to another module in the application. System testing. It is also known as end-to-end testing, where the test environment is similar to the production environment and we will test the application as a whole system. Acceptance testing. This testing is used to evaluate whether the specification or the requirement are met as per its delivery. This is done by the customer before the accepting the final product. Now, let me explain about the unit testing. It is used to test whether software module is satisfying the given requirement, as we have already discussed in the previous slide. A unit is single testable part of a software system and is tested during the development phase of the application software. Unit testing use a module approach due to any part can be tested without waiting for the completion of another part of testing. So unit testing use the following technique: data flow testing, control flow testing, branch coverage testing, statement coverage testing, and decision coverage testing. And the tools used to perform the unit testings are NUnit, JUnit, Parasoft, etc.